FlexOffers Affiliate Network Honest Review? Watch before using. If you're looking for an in-depth, honest review of FlexOffers Affiliate Network, you're in the right place. FlexOffers is a well-known affiliate marketing platform that connects publishers with advertisers across various industries. But the big question is it worth your time and effort? Let's break down what you need to know before signing up. First, what exactly is FlexOffers? It's an affiliate network that provides access to over 12,000 advertisers in categories like finance, travel, health, lifestyle, and e-commerce. You'll find major brands like Nike, Lenovo, and Macy's, along with niche advertisers you won't see on bigger platforms like CJ or ShareASale. The platform is designed for both beginner and experienced affiliate marketers, but there are some critical pros and cons to consider. The pros. FlexOffers has one of the widest selections of advertisers, which is great if you're running a content site, blog, or YouTube channel in a specific niche. The commission rates vary depending on the advertiser, but they're often competitive with what you'd find on other networks. Plus, their payment system is solid. Payments are issued on a net 30 basis, which means you get paid 30 days after the end of the month in which you earned commissions. They also offer multiple payout methods, including PayPal, bank transfer, and check. Another highlight? FlexOffers gives exclusive access to some advertisers that you won't find on other networks. This can help you stand out in a crowded affiliate market. The cons. Now, here's where FlexOffers might not be for everyone. The approval process is strict, especially for new affiliates. You need a solid website or established content channels to get accepted. If you're new to affiliate marketing with no audience, you may struggle to get approved. Additionally, FlexOffers charges a $5 monthly fee if your account is inactive for more than 12 months. It's not a huge deal, but it's something to keep in mind if you're a casual affiliate marketer. Who should use FlexOffers? FlexOffers is best suited for content creators, bloggers, and marketers who are serious about affiliate marketing and want access to a large pool of advertisers. If you're just starting out, platforms like ShareASale or Owen might be more beginner-friendly. Final verdict. FlexOffers is a legitimate affiliate network with a massive selection of advertisers and reliable payouts. But it's not ideal for beginners who lack a well-established online presence. If you're serious about affiliate marketing and want access to some unique advertisers, it's a great option. For beginners, start elsewhere, but for experienced affiliates, FlexOffers is worth it.